Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make elderberry syrup shelf-stable. To begin, understand that homemade elderberry syrup typically lasts only a few weeks in the refrigerator. To extend its life, we'll explore easy methods using common ingredients. These techniques help inhibit microbial growth, ensuring your syrup remains potent and safe for longer periods. We'll cover simple additions that transform your fresh syrup into a more durable product, perfect for consistent use. One of the easiest ways to make your elderberry syrup shelf-stable is by adding honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws out moisture, making it difficult for bacteria and mold to thrive. For optimal preservation, aim for a 1-to-1 ratio of honey to your prepared elderberry liquid. This not only sweetens the syrup, but also provides a natural, effective preservative, extending its freshness considerably without artificial additives. For an even longer shelf life, consider incorporating a small amount of alcohol into your elderberry syrup. Spirits like vodka or brandy work wonderfully as preservatives. The alcohol content helps prevent spoilage, allowing your syrup to last for several months, even outside the refrigerator. A general guideline is to achieve a final alcohol concentration of 20% to 25% for effective preservation, ensuring potency and safety. Regardless of your chosen preservation method, proper storage is key to maximizing your elderberry syrup's longevity. Always use sterilized, airtight glass bottles to prevent contamination. Store these bottles in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight or heat, which can degrade the syrup's quality. Before each use, visually inspect the syrup for any mold or unusual odors to ensure it remains safe and effective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.